That's my boy.
Oh, how Mummy loved birthdays, especially the cake. Don't forget the spiders, dear Thomas. They were Mummy's favorite. And the birthday candles, lovey. That doesn't look like all the candles. 214, Thomas. That's how old Mother would have been today. And one for bad luck. Brilliant work, Thomas. Don't touch that book! It was Mother's, and these were her boots. And this her wand. Oh, how we miss Mummy, dearest. Sure, she was difficult and a wee bit hateful. And her temper was frightful. But what we wouldn't trade to have another second with our dear grumpy Mummy. We should blow out the candles, Beatty. Yes, we should.
You ain't a bad kitty for wanting to eat that Boyd. It's what we cats do.
I'm gonna get you a treat, get you a treat, get you a treat. I think you're gonna like this, my brave boy.
Take it easy, cat. You don't look right. Don't get any ideas.
Hey, guys! Over here! Food! And tons of it!
Oh, where did it all come from?
Who cares? I'm digging in!
I guess we were so hungry, we just imagined it was food.
What's gotten into you all? We've only been gone for 20 minutes.